we, Okas and I, decided to have a Q&A session on PBTV because we are about to reach 4,000 subscribers very soon. Why have we not reached 4,000 subscribers yet?
Subscribe right now.
So subscribe right now, please do that. Okay, so quick question answering session, not exactly a podcast, but Okas and me decided ki we have really run out of ideas
Yeah.
for this week.
Yeah.
So we will go with this.
Yeah. Okay, so first question is what's your daily routine and who keeps you motivated?
Why don't you go first, Okas?
My daily routine, currently I'm actually fixing it. My daily routine is never daily. But right now I've been waking up early and I've been grinding hard on YouTube, figuring out where I stand, how can I understand my entertainment side of myself and everything. And who keeps me motivated? A lot of people. A lot of people who I look up to are my friends. Rav here is one of those people. Sanrepi, Dan Krishu, Jayesh, and my dog. I have a dog and he keeps me motivated very much. And my girlfriend, credits. What about you?
Routine, I don't really have one because I'm taking things slow, just like I always have. Regardless of Okas always trying to motivate me to please post as much as possible. By the way, guys, just so those of you who know the Gameplay Wala channel, the reason why I posted 6 days in a row was because Okas told me just post. That's all I did. But after that, Okas stopped telling me, so I just stopped.
Oh my god, for a second.
So I was like, okay, fine, cool. अब नहीं बोल रहा, अब तो कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, हो गया मेरा काम. But yeah, I don't have a schedule. In general, for other things I have a schedule. For YouTube I don't. But I do have a good set of ideas which I want to like. There's a plan on what I want to post and what I don't want to post. Most of my schedule revolves around PBTV because we are trying to get back in the game and get more guests. But yeah, that is pretty much it for now, which is not a great thing, I just realized. So please follow Okas' advice. Whatever he's doing is a much better idea, I guess. Who writes the question script and do a podcast with professional gamers? Who plays competitive? Can you do that?
I mean, I did ask Hydroflick. He's a competitive gamer and a streamer, and he said yes, but we are not sure when we'll do it. Regardless of the script, nobody writes. Most of these podcasts are vibe. हम लोग I think मैंने जब ये start किया था and मैंने जब idea pitch किया था तब हम लोग का motive was always कि two friends talking and when the guests comes those are also friends. That's why मैंने जिनको लाया है they are not somebody that I do not know or have not talked to yet. ठीक है?
I think when the question of script comes in, when long back actually Okas and me realized it बहुत पहले 2.5 years ago when we actually started a podcast. Not exactly started a podcast. There was a podcast in which I had done 2 episodes with Okas in one of my old channels. But that was just to test the waters. That is when Okas and I realized ki we do really, how do you say it? I don't know. There is a very weird gel well scenario between me and Okas.
Yeah.
We can literally talk about anything.
Yeah.
Okay, and I was in a very bad place in my life around a few months back, and I will give credit where it's due. Okas just came randomly out of nowhere and he was like, bruh, let's just do this. Let's do the podcast. It would be great. It's been a while since we have talked. That's how we started it. And yeah, we don't have necessarily a script. Questions, we have in general a few questions which are to be addressed based on the topic of the podcast. But in general, most of the questions come very, very naturally, spontaneously when we are speaking, because the person says something and we pick up a cue. Okas picks up a cue or I pick up a cue, and that is how it goes for us.
So like no, but I would like to add on to it like कि मैं और राव दोनों naturally काफ़ी curious इंसान हैं. जब दूसरों like if there is somebody that we look up to or respect in any way, we try to understand what they are up here, like mentally उनका कैसा है.
Right.
And that's where the questions come in from. We are generally like, what do you do in your daily life, or not in your daily life, like what you do in your daily life mentally. That's where like our questions come from. So there is generally no script.
Yeah.
So
I think it would be very boring also if we had like a very tight knit script.
Yeah.
Because the questions would not be very spontaneous, and it also restricts us also, because if the person says something which is very interesting,
Yeah.
and we just stick to a script, we are
Yeah.
missing out on a very good question
Yeah.
we can ask there.
Yeah.
Right? How do you deal with academics along with this whole YouTube podcast scenario? Academics. Okay. For me, sir, there is no academics. Okay. I'm done with that shit 2 years back. Okay. There's only my office and YouTube. That's all.
Yeah.
Okus, however, does go to college. So,
Yeah.
Okus, please answer this question.
Okay, so to the people who do not know, my father is the principal of the college that I go to.
Damn.
So luckily, I have leverage in that. But regardless of that, I'm actually studying business management. And if you do not know, I like business management. And uski wajah se I never have to really, because when you like something, you naturally are curious about it. Okay, so it's not something that's chore or something like that. तो जब मैं
Right.
तो मैं नेचुरली मैं पढ़ता रहता हूँ, तो मैं नेचुरली मेरे को आंसर्स भी आते हैं, तो मैं नेचुरली लिख भी लेता हूँ. आई एम नॉट द
Right.
फर्स्ट और द सेकंड, बट आई एम इन द टॉप 10 एंड माई फादर इज़ हैप्पी विद इट बिकॉज ही नोज दैट मेरे को नेचुरली थोड़ा मतलब आता है तो कर ले जाऊँगा कुछ ना कुछ ज़िंदगी में. तो इतना अब नहीं है, पहले बहुत था. स्कूल में मैं बहुत बकवास था एकेडमिक्स में, मेरे को मेरे स्कूल से निकाल दिया गया था बिकॉज मैं बहुत कॉन्स्टेंटली फेल हो रहा था. पर जब मेरे फिर हम लोग ने स्कूल चेंज किया एंड उसके बाद जब क्या कहते हैं, when I figured out my passion, my father and like when my family situation got better, when my financial situation got better over time, मेरा academics got better as well.
Right.
And, yeah.
Right. I think it definitely helps
Yeah.
if you have like an environment where things are better for you to,
Hmm.
you know, and you also want you're always interested in business as well, right?
Yeah. मेरे को
So
मतलब
I think that also helps.
या पैसे कमाना हमेशा चाहता था, पर क्रिएटिविटी मतलब मैंने पॉडकास्ट में भी बोला हुआ है कि इफ़ इट वर्क्स आई विल इवन कॉपी यू. मुझे पैसे से मतलब है, बट
Right.
ऑल्सो ऑब्वियसली देर इज़ मनी, सॉरी देर इज़ सम क्रिएटिविटी साइड to me as well. And
Right.
when I learned about business, is like the every aspect is there. You cannot just be one thing. You need to be a lot of other things, and that's what I always wanted to be. I cannot just be one thing. I cannot just be the video essay guy or the haha funny guy or the podcast guy. And that's why business intrigued me so much, is because you need to be that animator. You need to understand creativity. You need to understand business. You need to understand people, and all these things gelled so well and intrigued my interest. So that's why I love business.
I think that is very well put. And regardless of that, people are in the comment section are gonna put क्या हाँ पापा कॉलेज संभालते हैं तो nepotism. Nice यार. Very
Yeah.
nice. It's fucking
But,
what the hell. Guys, please don't comment such shit.
Yeah, please. That's annoying. But Okus, you have mentioned that the next video essay will be the last one for a very long time. What are you planning after that? Will you only be focusing on podcasts, or are you planning on some new content on your channel? I think Rav will be able to relate to it. If you do something too much, it becomes
Yeah.
more of an annoyance than what would be the other word? Love?
Yes, I'll give you an example also if you want.
Bolo.
When we are trying to solve a problem, right?
Yeah.
And we just focus on that problem,
Yeah.
you run out of solutions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The best piece of advice which you to be able to solve that problem is go and distract yourself.
Yeah.
Do something else.
Yeah.
Let your brain do, because we don't notice it, but actually our brain is like very very complex, right? It knows that the problem exists, so, and it tinkers in itself to figure out what is going on. So if he is just focused on just doing essays, his creative side will be focused on only that, and he'll run out of options. He needs to switch up things so that also
Yeah.
enriches.
Yeah, and like my video essay, these video essays aren't like, I'm sorry to say this, but these aren't for everybody, and not everybody gets it. And if you
Right.
think you get it, there's a high chance that you don't. I'm really sorry. Probably a lot of you are triggered, but there's a lot to it than you see. There is a lot of, I've mentioned that there is a resolve that comes while making video essays. And not only that, a lot of you are intrigued by the animations, but kitna karunga main? You know? Like, what
Right.
next? Do I bring 3D? And what about next? Do I bring CGI? What do I do? And how long will these take? How long can I keep on doing it? These are a lot of
Right.
things. So I cannot just do it. There needs to be
Right.
certain.
It takes a lot of time and resources also. right?
Yeah,
So-
and they're not doing as well as, like, it's not these videos are not made for YouTube. It's just that's a fact. Of course, in the start, my channel boomed, and I'm so happy. But a lot of it had to do because of the controversy and the connection
Right.
that I have in the industry. But I just don't want to keep on exploiting my connections and industry and everything. That's not who I am. There is a lot more to it, to me,
Right.
and I don't want to just keep at it. So, to answer your questions, no, I'm not gonna be just focusing on podcasts, or of course I'm planning on new content, but my video essay I said long time nahi, a long time nahi, obviously next महीने आ ही जाएगा, because there are a lot of things I want to talk about. Ultimately at core I am that ज्ञान चोदू personality, तो ज्ञान चोदने में आ ही जाएगा मैं, पर yeah, that's, I think, yeah, थोड़े समय में आ
But
जाएगा.
I think what he's trying to say is that he is gonna have video essays on topics, but he doesn't want to lose something which is very important to every single creator, which is their creative freedom.
True.
Okay, and are not so. It's people usually do that. Okay, we have many YouTubers. They do this. Ki they have one type of videos, and that's all they do, and they do it for such a long time that their audience gets used to only that, and anything new they want to try, the audience just rejects.
Yeah.
I think Ocus is playing it very well
Yeah.
by saying that, see, I will put video essays, that's fine. I love making them. They are very difficult to make. I acknowledge that as well. I will make video essays, but I will also try a lot of other things, because that is what helps me stay in the game
अभी
and
मुझे
have skin in the game.
मुझे सबसे एक चीज़ हिलेरियस चीज़ याद आई कि एक बंदे ने अभी कमेंट किया था राव, कि ये बंदा बोलता है कि आई थॉट ओके इज गोइंग टू बी, आई थॉट लाइक, जब मैंने उसके नई वीडियोस देखे थे मुझे लगता था वो कितना हार्ड वर्किंग है. अब मुझे ये वीडियोस देख के, लाइक मेरी जो लास्ट वीडियो है डिस्कॉर्ड गॉट टैलेंट, देख के लगता है कि बिल्कुल हार्ड वर्क. मेरा दिमाग खराब, मैं बोला इधर आ, तेरी मम्मी बहन के चौदह इधर आ. तो लगता है कि दैट वीडियो डिडंट फकिंग रिक्वायर्ड हार्ड वर्क. ऑफ कोर्स इट डिडंट रिक्वायर एज मच. एक महीना नहीं लगा बहन की चूत, पर 4-6 दिन मेरे को लग गया वो वीडियो बनाने में. सो लाइक इफ यू आर वॉचिंग एनीबडी, don't put your creator in the fucking box. It's the most annoying thing that you can do
man.
towards
Don't
a creator.
put your, please don't, it's very well put. Don't put your creator in a fucking box, okay? Because they're gonna put the content in a box anyway,
yeah.
so that you can see it.
If you don't like it, like I think सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है. You enjoyed my video essays. It's because I've been doing it for over 2 years, 3 years.
Right.
I'm amazing at it. One of the best, if not the best in India, right? I'm
Nobody
amazing.
else is doing it in India.
Yeah, exactly.
Just for the
And
sake of
even if I'm gonna compare it to the West as well, there are very few people who do it like me.
right. True.
See, ठीक है. So I've been doing it and I'm amazing at it. I acknowledge it. I get it that you love it and I love it too. But you guys need to realize, like, you don't enjoy it probably because I haven't been doing these for a very long time. So let me do it. Let me experiment. Let me see where I am.
Right.
And if you don't watch him, that's fine. But I'm gonna tell you this. I am going to get better at it, because that's just what kind of person. That's just what human beings are. And when I'm good at it, you will one way or to other, you'll come back at it, and then you will start enjoying it. So to like be like, भाई ये मत करिए, तुझे मत नहीं आता, is the worst thing that you can probably do to a creator.
So I would like to take this one. I would like to join two questions. One is, what do you think about the future of YouTube India, and when will podcasts become more mainstream in India?
What do you think?
Podcasts we are at the phase where it will become mainstream right now. Everybody is going for podcasts, which is a good thing in YouTube India at least, right? And podcast live streams are the future of YouTube India, is what I think. And the problem here is that this will really test you. Podcasts really test you in a way. You need to have, you have to be, me and Ocus turned out to be very lucky, let's be very honest, okay? To be able to find to be able to find the opportunity to be able to speak to somebody and have people find it entertaining
Yeah.
is very rare.
Yeah.
Okay, and I still wonder, like, Ocus, it ties back to like you visiting me at the airport that day.
If you guys do not know, it's an interesting case कि मैं राव को 2016 में मिला था, and Rav is coming to Mumbai. He has
17 met me in 17.
Okay, so 2017 में, and he was
yeah.
going somewhere, and उसका changing flight था मुंबई पे, And so at 17, so I was 16-year-old. And he was coming at कितने बजे आ रहे थे राव तुम एयरपोर्ट पे?
सुबह के 3 बजे आई लैंडेड.
3 बजे ही इसका नाम. सो 16 साल के बच्चे, 16-15 साल के बच्चे, मैं, मेरा दोस्त, और मतलब मेरा दोस्त मनदीप एंड एक और रोहित करके, हम 3 लोग, ठीक है, घर पे बिना बताए मैं 2-3 घंटा ट्रैवल किए हैं, ठीक है,
हाँ.
टू मीट दिस रैंडम स्ट्रेंजर दैट आई टॉक टू ऑनलाइन.
Yeah.
And then we meet, and I don't know, it's because just like the way we have been brought up, me and Rav, that we have this connection with each other. We meet, we hug each other, we laugh our ass off for like a
Full
good
vibe.
for a good 1-2.
We're not gonna talk about a lot of other things which happened
Yeah.
during that 1-3 hour meet.
Yeah, because I was an edgy kid then, and I said a lot of things that I quite regret. But 5-6 घंटे राव से मैं मिला था, एंड वी हैव, भाई क्या वाइब थी, फुल मौज मोमेंट थी. But
Yeah.
yeah.
It was outside Mumbai airport.
Yeah. But I think that's also the reason that why we are so lucky, because you and I gel very well. We can talk
Yeah.
about literally anything, and some way or another वो थोड़ा बहुत लोगों को अच्छे 200 लोगों को अच्छा लग जाएगा.
And I think it's only gonna get better, because I'll tell you why. Because people think that they're gonna talk literally about anything. Why is that case? Also because of the age difference. We are very similar. But I've gone through a lot of things he's going through right now.
Yeah.
So I can relate to him, and he is experiencing it right now. So he can like say it up front कि अच्छा हाँ शायद इसने experience किया होगा, because we know that we are similar in that way. So we've been very lucky in that sense.
Yeah.
And
Definitely.
we think that podcast will be a very important part of the future in terms of what people want to consume.
Yeah.
People want to have entertainment, that is for sure.
Yeah,
But people also want something
Insight.
which they can
Insight.
some insight. Exactly. And they want insight in a very consumable form. And as far we all know that visual medium is great for consumption, but like if you think about it, you waking up in the morning, doing your household chores, whatever your responsibilities are, while listening to a podcast is so much better than your full focus being on the video side of it. I mean, I'm sure you guys, Okas is a very good looking guy and you love his smile and you want to watch him all the time, but like I'm pretty sure that making use of Spotify would also be a very good use of it. So that was a great shameless plug for Spotify. Go and fucking subscribe right now. What are you doing? Go and join us on Spotify, please. We post on Spotify before we post on YouTube.
Yeah,
so do that.
Like half an hour early, and that gap is just gonna get bigger and bigger
Bigger and bigger. We will stop posting on YouTube. No, we're not gonna do that. We are not gonna do that.
Okay. So
okay.
Yeah.
Go on. Next question.
Do you ever get negative thoughts when you make videos on YouTube? What if it doesn't turn out the way you want to be? Like, am I investing a lot of time in these videos? Should I continue or invest time or study a lot more?
Okay. Okas knows my answer also. I have a little bit of idea about Okas' answer. I think Okas is more sorted in that sense. He focuses on the video. He doesn't worry as much on the outcome of it as much as he focuses on the video. Me, on the other hand, I doubt myself all the time, and Okas has reprimanded me in that so many times कि just shut the fuck up and make the video यार, क्यों इतना तू सोच रहा है, पहले बना तो ले उसके बाद देख.
Yeah.
That happens so much to me, and I've told him this also. And like, what did you say that day? What is the piece of advice you gave me?
I forgot.
Okay, I'll tell you the context that you can know. When I said कि अरे यार मेरे को डाउट हो रहा है कि नहीं चलेगा यार, what the hell, how did the light go away? हाँ, like मेरे को डाउट हो रहा है कि लोगों को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं, what if and फिर से डेड चैनल हो गया, what is the scenario, ये सब मेरे थॉट्स आ रहे हैं मेरे दिमाग में. What would you say?
Fuck, I don't remember stuff. I'm so sorry.
What would you say now?
I would say it doesn't matter.
And do you say that to yourself also?
No. Okay.
Wow.
So
Nice.
so I get. Okay, but would you like to tell me what advice did I give it to you? Because I'm curious.
You told me at that point of time कि you have hardly any subscribers, Rav.
Yeah.
This is your best time.
Yeah.
Do whatever the fuck you want.
Yes. Yeah. That's what I said. But yes, I get negative thoughts a lot.
Wow.
I get negative thoughts a lot. ठीक है. But that's, I think, मैंने तेरे को बताया था, you need to decide what you want to become. Do you want to become a creator or do you want to become a YouTuber at the
Right.
current time? And
Right.
my mind, and I think your mind as well, went to, of course I want to become a YouTuber. Like creator, yes, I'm already a creator. I want to become a YouTuber. So when you look at तुम्हारा जब spectrum YouTuber वाला बन जाता है, ठीक है?
Right.
So then you go like, okay, my goal right now is to be consistent. बिकॉज अगर वीडियो व्यूज़ कम आ रहे हैं, इट डजेंट मैटर. अगर मेरी वीडियो गंदी बन रही है, इट डजेंट मैटर. इफ कुछ भी हो रहा है, इट डजेंट मैटर, क्योंकि वीडियो बाहर जा रही है. मैं आई एम पीपल आर स्टिल रिमेंबरिंग मी, आई एम स्टिल देयर. ठीक है. एंड over time, this when you become big, this mindset is toxic, but right now it's very good. So जब बड़ा हो जाऊंगा तब ऑब्वियसली मैं चेंज कर दूंगा, पर फिलहाल राइट नाउ ये माइंडसेट होना चाहिए कि वीडियो बाहर जाना है तुमको. यू शुड नॉट फॉल डाउन द रेलेवेंसी स्केल. अभी भी रहो, लोगों को याद दिलाते रहो कि तुम एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हो. एक दो गंदी वीडियो निकल गई, चलेगी, वो लोग भूल जाएंगे, लोग अच्छी वीडियो से याद रखेंगे. तो और जितना हो सके फन लो, जितना हो सके फन लो वीडियोस बनाने में. इट्स अबाउट द जर्नी, नॉट अबाउट द एंड.
Right.
Twitter.
I would. Yeah. It's very difficult to swallow that pill when you're starting off.
Yeah,
Because people are also very impatient also, right?
Yeah.
People in general are very impatient also. So it's very difficult to swallow. Which is very commendable that you have swallowed it. Okay, next question. By the way, that could be completely taken out of context. That statement. That I just said.
For Rav, you are planning to get big into YouTube in brackets again, or you're focusing on just creating stuff for yourself and staying low?
This idea of we have discussed this, Okas and I. Nobody creates stuff for themselves on YouTube.
Yeah.
Nobody creates stuff for themselves and put them out on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're creating stuff for yourself, then just keep it to yourself, man. Why are you posting it on YouTube?
Exactly.
You're doing it. Everybody is doing it, so that they can get some form of appreciation. Everybody is doing it. Deep down, they all know that. So there's no lying about it. I do it right now to just as a hobby. Okay, I don't know where it's gonna take me. Of course, I want to like get there, get to like 10,000 subscribers and then maybe 100k subscribers and see where it goes. But I would prefer the balanced lifestyle right now, having a job, focusing on my professional life, and also giving YouTube the time, because it is very rare for people nowadays to have a hobby which they really can focus on. People tend to switch hobbies a lot. I'm very happy that I found something which I can say कि ये मेरा hobby है. This is what I like to do. Your favorite podcasts? Ocus, go on.
It's a great podcast. If you guys haven't heard about it, it's
called Person Behind the Persona. Yeah, great name, by the way.
There are these two kids. They're fucking amazing.
Jesus.
I don't know. There's this younger partner in there. He's fucking so good looking. I would kiss him right now if he was in front of me. Oh my god. And then there is another guy who's a bit older. He is so good looking. I would kiss him right now if he was there.
Or maybe you already have. What? We don't want to spread that rumor. Or do we? I don't know. Should we spread that rumor?
I mean, it's not a rumor, but...
It is not?
Yeah, there's a picture.
Where are the pictures?
It's somebody's Instagram.
Who has the pictures?
You have the pictures.
I have the pictures.
Yeah?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
There is just a comment that says, Sir.
I know who this is. This guy comments Sir in my videos also. Capital mein Sir likha hai na? Capital mein Sir likha hai na?
Yes.
With emojis, right?
Yeah.
With emojis after? Yeah, I fucking know this.
Jesus Christ. My god. Okay. My question is for both Rav and Ocus. Rav, if you ever had to revive your old channel with the roasting and commentary genre, how would you do that now and with what changes? Ocus, what are your plans next? What are you gonna do next? Video essays, commentary, that I've already answered. So Rav,
I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
And I think you would agree to that. I wouldn't. It's a dead channel.
Yeah, it's about time. It's
about time that it is over. And roasting to question ही नहीं. No question. Okay? No question at all. That, and I would like specifically tell people कि भाई roasting
मत करो,
मत देखो.
Please.
I would say that.
Please.
Shots fired on all roasters. I don't care.
Yeah,
मत
please.
करो, मत देखो.
It's about
time. I have been a roaster. I'm saying this right now. Don't do it. It's fucking.
It's a dead genre. Let it. Like, please kill it.
There's so many
Please.
problems with that. You can't even like.
Yeah, it's
People
grown
are-
too big for its own sake. It's
Yeah.
not fun anymore.
Would you rather give Indian YouTube audience broader perspective or the ability for them to have a thicker skin? Interesting, August.
Broader perspective.
Why don't you
If
ask
you
that?
okay, so if you have a broader perspective as in like just broader perspective, being able to see more than what you see, you know.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah.
if you already have a broader perspective, then it automatically makes you have a thicker skin.
Right. Exactly. Very well put. I was exactly thinking of the same thing.
Yeah.
A
Because-
broader perspective. To be able to ingest broader perspective, you should be able to consume different opinions, right? Broader perspective आता कैसे है? तुम different opinions
Yeah.
दिमाग में लेते हो, ठीक है? अच्छा ये है. How do you do that without affecting an already formed opinion in your head?
Yeah.
By not romanticizing that previous opinion, right?
True.
तो थोड़ा relax, like
Chill मारो.
even like what Okas and I say, some people really take a lot of things in the comment section seriously. Some people, and
Yeah.
I don't mean it in any bad way. All we are saying is we are not experts at this. Okay,
Yeah.
whatever we are saying, we're just trying to have a normal conversation.
Yeah.
It's not like we are perfect in any sense.
Yeah.
Actually, the contrary. We're both very very flawed
Flawed,
people.
yeah.
We both know that.
Yeah.
And गलतियाँ हम सबसे होती हैं. And just two people talking. That's all.
Yeah.
So our opinions can be wrong, sure. And if somebody comes and tells us कि ये opinion गलत है, we don't mind that, as long as you say it in a very critical
Yeah. So
way.
all he's
but
trying
like-
to say is कि जो तुम लोग में से माँ के लोड़े कमेंट कर रहे थे ना कि साइमन को बोलने दे इधर तेरी मम्मी बहन के चोदे
हाँ.
ठीक
Can
है?
we address that please?
Fucking morons. Did you not see me ask him questions and his replies were कि अरे लोगों को पता होगा. His replies were half-assed. What do you think? I have Simon Says in the podcast and he's not saying anything. Rav doesn't know Simon Says. I take the fucking wheel. I went ham. बहन के लोड़ा वही
And on top of that, we also made the context very clear in the start कि guys, he's very shy in real life.
Yeah.
And we didn't obviously we would feel if you felt that we were not letting him speak, okay, we understand that interpretation. If that is, it's a misinterpretation at the end of the day, we both believe it. Okay, if you think that we both didn't let him speak, what do you think was gonna happen when we tried to force him to speak?
Yeah, exactly.
Would you have liked that?
Yeah.
Ki bol. Would you have liked that?
Yeah.
We wouldn't have liked that at all.
Yeah.
Let me just put that out there. We don't want our guests to feel
Yeah.
uncomfortable being in a podcast where we just are trying to have fun. So we really tried. Okay, we really tried, and it was his first podcast. He did like it.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future, if he comes, he's more open to things about it.
Yeah. Facts.
We'll try to do
Facts.
that. So
I'm assuming that both of
Yeah.
you are very creative people, and I'm sure you want to express yourself in one way or another. My question is, do you ever get overwhelmed by the amount of ways or methods you could? Wow, a good question. Do you get confused on which to choose? If yes, how do you deal with it? Wow.
isn't it every creative person's one of the biggest traumas of every creative person? You get so many, sometimes you get no ideas, sometimes you get so many,
Yeah.
and you're just scared to choose.
Yeah.
That is a very human thing.
Yeah.
When we have too many options na, we tend to always be scared to choose कि क्या मैंने सही रास्ता पकड़ा है? Is it the most optimal choice? What do you think, Okas? And
Oh,
can you give a solution
man.
to that? It's a difficult question, man.
Yeah, it's such a weird. Like, I want to do everything. That's
Yeah.
that's literally me. I want to do everything. I want to dance. I want to rap. I want to fucking do drawings. I want to animate. I want to do face cam commentary. I want to do comedy. I want to do anything, and it's so overwhelming.
Right.
But I think it comes down to, at least now, is what people enjoy. Like there are certain, like I want to do maybe I want to rap, but I know that I'm not that great into it, like amazing at it. So I probably
Right.
will chill out and do it on the back burner, put it on the back burner, and keep on like working on it till I'm amazing at it, or at least decent that I want to put it out. But what something I do is, like, at the end of the day, this is I am expressing myself. So I express myself to my loved ones, like. It's really expressing. So I just talk to my girlfriend, or I call up Rav, or I call up Sandebi, or Rishu, or Jayesh, and that helps
Right.
me. Yeah. So you don't have to like have a creative outlet if you want to express every time. You can just call up your friend and be like, hey man, your mom gay, you know.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like, thank God I was not drinking water. I would have spit it on my wireless keyboard.
Okay, retard.
Even that, I'm drinking water right now. Don't crack a joke, please.
Penis.
Okay, please. I'll choke on the fucking water, dude.
I'll
Don't
choke
want
on
people-
penis.
Oh wow. Ah.
Next one.
Ah.
Next.
Sometimes you
next.
got sometimes Okas just reminds me ki, yep, he's a 19-year-old. Definitely. There it is. When will you guys start asking guests about the person behind the person behind? यार
यार कैसे लोड़े लोग हो
क्या चाहते हो यार तुम? It was just a name. It was just a name. Okay.
It's-
It was
and-
just okay. Tell me something. There is a podcast named Tiny Meat Gang.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Like
They-
what does that mean? It's a name.
And no,
Shakespeare said, guys.
fuck that. We did ask them out of like behind the
We did.
persona.
That is
You
also
think
true.
you think they will answer the questions that we asked them or the vibe they put out in fucking their channel? You morons. No, they won't. Idiots.
We will try. We are really trying, guys. We are really trying.
But
Jesus.
no, but we
And
have
people
made-
are people are asking these questions with emojis. I don't like,
Yeah.
guys. We wanted serious questions, but okay, cool.
No,
I
but
guess that is
Rav, we have made 10 podcasts in total. We have had like 5 guests. Fucking
Right.
Chill, chill.
person behind the persona. Damn.
Oh my
Like,
god, this
one
is
of the podcasts had 2 people. Like, what the hell do you
yeah,
want?
yeah. But do you think people will start understanding the humor which you guys show? First of all, our humor is not that complex, guys. It's I literally just said penis 5 minutes ago. Like,
Okay.
yeah. So our humor is not that haha
Yeah.
funny, एकदम epic कि बहनचोद layers हैं jokes के अंदर. It's really
Yeah.
it's really
Just
just
us.
yeah, it's just laughing. That's my
Yeah,
humor.
man.
It's just I am laughing and it's just making you some way or another chuckle, and that's
Yeah,
it.
That's it.
So I
What do you guys
yeah,
think? This is a stand-up comedy show, huh?
yeah,
What do you guys
this-
think, huh?
It's really
Really? You found the most unfunny people in the world
Yeah.
to like, expect to have a discussion on humor.
we are not
Really?
funny. We're not funny. We're amusing at best. That's what we are. At amusing at best. Just
Yeah, amusing at best. True.
But
True.
next question.
It's not like humor can't be a skill
Yeah,
for
yeah,
now.
yeah,
You
yeah,
never
yeah.
know. You never know. Okas
Yeah.
is doing his stand-up in 5 years in the YouTube FanFest stage. By the way, we'll talk about the YouTube FanFest stage in the future.
Yeah.
Don't worry. My question is for Rav. Will these self-proclaimed second-generation YouTubers be more relevant than YouTubers right now
Yes.
at the moment in
Yes.
the next year or so? By the way, Papa, love you, PR. Nice. If they don't make any mistakes, of course. Okay, what is the self-proclaimed second generation of YouTubers? Okay, I don't understand that question. But if I think what they mean is you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, will they make it be more relevant than the YouTubers right now in next year? In the next year, no, they will not be more relevant than them.
Yeah.
But they will have a much faster growth than these guys
Yeah.
and much more loyal, a different kind of a loyal audience, because they will bring a lot of things into the picture which these current YouTubers did not. Okay, and trust me on this. I've had a conversation with Okas, with Jayesh, with Rishu, with Surya, and a lot of other ones. These guys, 2016 में 2015 में a lot of logistics had to be figured out. These kids, they have figured it all out. They are ready. They just are waiting to reach that number.
Yeah.
And that number, by the way, in 2016 was 1 million. Now it is 100k, 150k.
Yeah.
And you will see what a difference these guys will create.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is definitely there.
That is
Impact,
something-
much bigger impact.
Yeah.
Reach the numbers, probably it will take time because
Yeah.
numbers will take time.
Yeah.
Or any
But I think we'll be able to like
Get there
have
faster.
Yeah, not only get there faster, like at core the base of the fan base. Like
Yeah.
I think if you're at 10 million, you have like at least 1 million loyal fans who are like watching every single videos of yours, and I think that will be easier for us to reach, and the ratio will be higher as well. So like at
Right.
10 million, maybe we'll have like 5 million. This is just like still like a stretch, but just trying to put a rough idea in people's head.
Because you guys make content which is much more relatable than relatable in the sense that personally relatable. You relate to the person
Yeah.
and not the
Yeah.
concept which they are trying to show via sketch or comedy or something like that.
And also because you have already experienced a lot of YouTube, you as an audience has grown as well. So now you're looking for some much more personal attachment. And the people that come after us, you know, the third gen or fourth gen, they will have a lot more. Either they will die really quickly because the platform dies, or they will be stronger and better than us.
Yeah, somebody comes up. You never know.
Yeah.
YouTube is so random.
Yeah,
sometimes.
yeah.
You never know where someone will come out from.
Yes, I think
किसी ने कोई ऐसा genre निकाल दिया
हाँ,
which just
never existed.
blows people off their minds like what
Yeah,
the hell,
yeah,
where
yeah.
did this come from?
Yeah, yeah,
You never know.
yeah.
I recently saw this one guy do stand-up comedy live online in a Zoom call,
Wow,
and people paid for that show, and they're on that particular Zoom call,
wow.
and it was funny, man. It was really funny. He like made use of it like a proper stand-up
Yeah.
set, crowd work type.
Yeah, you never know where people come from. Is it okay? I'll combine 2-3 questions exam se, so that I think last question will be for you as well. But okay. So, Ocus, will we see a rap song in future? Why did you quit working for Carrie? And is editing as important as people say? First, I will say, will you see a rap song in future? I love making music. I love writing stuff. I'm more of a lyrical rapper than a musician. So maybe someday if I ever feel like it, but not in like anytime soon. Why did I quit working for Carrie? First of all, I wanted to focus a lot more on YouTube. There has been a good amount of growth. एक समय था जहाँ पे मैं काफ़ी कुछ सीख पा रहा था अजय के साथ काम करके, but there is only so much you can learn when you've been working for quite a while, right? So I had reached that peak and I wasn't learning enough that made me feel like working. And also because like Carrie and I have grown distance over the years, and now there were people that in between that were directing us, which I do not enjoy. I do not like working with people, working for people. I like working with people, so I quit. And
can you since you're already explaining this, there is this one question which says that can you tell us your experience on working for Ajay? Can you elaborate a little bit?
Okay, yeah, sure. I got paid a decent amount. Ajay and I, mera taste is काफ़ी different, but I was able to figure him out very quickly. And once you figure him out what he wants, it's very easy to work for him. The payments are always great and everything. So like you know what you're gonna do. He just gives you a call, you do it, and you send him. So like when you've figured it out, when you've been doing it for a while, it's like a breeze. It's a breeze. Don't even like it doesn't even come in your head that you have to work for him. He just messages you, done. But the thing that does bother me is it's personal, because I've known for the guy for a very long time. I do not like when people come in between. Maybe that's just me being clingy or something like that. But okay, I'll rephrase it. I do not like people coming in between that I do not acknowledge as worthy of having or guiding or directing me, so like if you want to direct me when it comes to my art and my designs or whatever, right? You need to know design, you need to learn, you yourself need to know it enough for me to respect it. And if you do not know it and you're gonna tell me, then that just fucks me up. I'm like, nah, I can't do it. I get really mad. And that was one of the reasons that I left. But mostly it was because I wasn't learning enough. So yeah, that's it. And
what
the
was the third part of the question?
Is editing as important as people say? What do you think, Raf?
I think the story is the most important, and you can do a lot with editing, and we have a living proof right here. He tells a good story and he has amazing editing skills. So see where that got him.
Yeah, but I think
okay, well, let's be being very honest. It's 2020, YouTube India. Okay, yeah, editing is important, man.
Yeah. If you don't know how to edit, you can't. But the fact is, like, if if at core there is no base में कुछ नहीं है तो फिर क्या ही कर लोगे. Editing is always, remember, editing is an enhancement. It
Right.
enhances your story. It can
Right.
it can save a thing, you know. It can literally save a video. Editing can literally make a joke 100 times funnier. But if there is no joke, if there is no substance, if there is no base,
Right.
what are you gonna do about that? So yeah, yes, it is definitely important. You need to learn how to edit.
Pizza doesn't taste good without the bread, guys.
Yeah, that's true. You can't just eat cheese.
You
Forget.
can, but like
Yeah.
your breath will stink.
Yeah.
Did you guys go through existential crisis
Hmm.
as you obtained a persona on the internet? So we
Hmm.
are
No, I
So-
am. There is no filter between you. Like
there
you
is
and
no
me.
filter between you and me.
Yeah.
Okay, Vokas and I have actually talked about this. I told him that I am the way I am with him, that is how I am on the internet.
Hmm.
Because he always knew me from the get-go as Rav.
Hmm.
But I am not exactly the same person in front of my peers, my college people.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
and it is not that I'm a fake person or something like that. I think I have also told Okas that I'm a very shy person.
Hmm.
I like my space a lot.
Hmm.
Even when I visited him at his house, I was much quieter, much more reserved.
Hmm.
But I think a lot of my inhibitions, which are there in front of my peers, they go away in front of Okas or people who are very similar to me, because I'm like, भाई क्या करेगा ये जज मेरे को, he is like me. So he told me something, Okas told me something which was like, I did not think of it that way. He told me that I think, Rav, you are more what you are in front of me than what you are in front of you're more real of what you are in front of me than what you are in front of your peers,
Yeah.
because there is no inhibition. So that is
Yeah.
a more real side of you.
Yeah.
Why do you think that is? Like, why do you think it's a very
Yeah.
therapeutic question?
Yeah. You and I.
Ki-
It's because you and I are, equally fucked. If not
Wow.
like. So like we are
Batman
competing.
and Joker.
We are competing at like how fucked you and I are. Like. So like if you're gonna judge me really, or how
Really?
about this fucking shit?
Huh.
Oh, you wanna talk about that? What about this shit? So
Yeah.
that's
there
the
is no
thing.
there is no judgment. There is no judgment on self. अच्छा बेटा तू रुक ये ले this is-
But
have you
also-
seen that one advertisement where this person is like praising, instead of putting in slurs at this other person,
Yeah.
he praises him.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
this
yeah.
person in return, instead of
Yeah.
giving any gali, this person praises him back.
Yeah,
And it
yeah.
continues,
Yeah,
escalates.
Man,
That kind of a scenario.
you fucking kill me. I hope your mother has a nice Christmas. Aisa.
But
But yeah, but also because you and I know each other very well. I think
Yeah,
it
that
comes
is
to a point where it's creepy. You remember when you said like, oh no, YouTube is always going to be an escape for me, and I'm like, no, that's not gonna be. That's
And
no.
the 2 days later, I came back to you like, yep,
Yeah,
you're right.
yeah.
Fucking, you're right. I thought about it a lot.
Yeah.
This is a fucking lie which I was telling to myself. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And so that has happened with me as well. Like he tells me shit, I'm like, oh yeah, god damn it, he's right, huh. So yeah. So I remember when the god complex thing was going on with like because there's a god complex and everything. Like no, he
Yeah.
does not. It's a way for you to cope, 'cause-
Right.
And that's
Right,
where I was like,
100%. And
shit.
people still ask me this question, and I tell them the same thing. Ki, guys, I'm telling you this. It's a way for him to cope, and just I know it's difficult for you to understand this, but I get where he's coming from,
Yeah.
because people do cope from these kind of things
Yeah.
in different ways,
Yeah.
and for him it works. If
Yeah.
I was in his place and it worked for me,
Yeah.
I would have done nothing but that.
Yeah. And I think
Mental
everybody
health,
should try
your
it as
mental
well.
health over anything else, man.
Yeah. Wow, this is a very vibey podcast. I don't think a lot of people are going to be listening to it, but whoever it is, it's gonna be very vibe for you.
Yeah,
So
of course there is a Rav a virgin question.
Wow.
We're gonna swiftly avoid that question as soon as possible.
Trust me, guys. I know he's not.
What do you mean? After
Let the
mentioning
people
about
figure out.
you and me having pictures, what do you mean? Dude, there are too many innuendos. Holy shit, we don't want a new, different kind of a trend, okay? Like, people are making pictures of you and Saloni, they start making pictures of you and me together. It's gonna be really awkward, man. I'm just letting you know. I'm still 19. I'm telling you, there's a big age difference.
Fucking Tinder girls from Tinder goes through your fucking profile and they are just intact. There's just you and me, constantly. Like, who is
What
this
is
kid?
going on?
Excuse me.
Wow, it's very weird, man. I also noticed that. There's a lot of this is no sexual discomfort between you and me when we're having these kind of conversations.
Fucking insane, man. What the fuck? And I have a girlfriend. Fucking
Yeah, about that.
yeah.
No, the girlfriend part. Okay, never mind. There is this one question which I left out, and it has the most number of likes.
Yeah.
It is by Priyal Dhuri.
Okay.
राव पिछले 4 साल से
Yeah.
आई एम बैक की वीडियोस डाल के हर टाइम फिर से बैक क्यों चला जाता है?
बताओ भाई
And-
राव.
Why you answer? I'm not.
अच्छा
answering
you
this
want अच्छा Rav is overthinking, over analyzing in his head.
question. Okay, this is not roast Rav video. Okay, just what the hell?
Yeah, that's what he is. So sometimes you need to understand. Like I told him when we started this podcast, and we had a lot of questions. Like, what do you want to do about this part? What direction are we taking this? And like, we cross the bridge when we get there.
Get there. Yeah,
Chill.
that is true.
And
I know it's very cliched, guys, but actually sometimes these things work. You're trying something new on YouTube. Just go ahead. Most people ask that question. मैं क्या करूँ? मैं क्या करूँ? मैं ये करूँ? मैं वो करूँ? It's a very cliched answer,
yeah.
but just post, man.
You just-
Baki everything else will take care of itself as long as you keep posting.
And biggest, like literally, the biggest YouTuber is like, look at him, PewDiePie. He has literally done every. If you're going through something regarding, I would say even life, like just look at him. He has been through it. He's like one of my biggest idols. Like sometimes you think, oh my god, there is people. I now have people who hate me. Yeah, guess what? His forum. He had a forum, PewDiePie forum, dedicated to his fans. Right? That became a forum for people who hated PewDiePie fans. So like, like it has been, like, and look at now, he's back on the top again. So it doesn't matter.
The guy wrote a book. Not wrote.
Yeah.
The book is full of memes
Yeah. Yeah.
and weird quotes from his life.
Yeah.
And like some of them are like so dark and so liberating at the same time.
Yeah.
Like,
So weird. And while doing that, he was taking a shots at people who were just writing books, because there was a scene where everybody was writing books. So like, you know what? I'm gonna write a book and I'm gonna take a shit, and everybody was writing a book. It's insane.
so guys, we will do a few community tab questions. Thank you all for asking those questions. When do you think people all over India will critique shows like the really fucked up ones? You know, the ones which I'm talking about. I'm talking about Sasu Ma Dies, and there are like 30 or so episodes about that, and finally understand sarcasm and good storytelling and appreciate the work you people, Simon, Rishu, Surya, you
Move on.
and Creep Thiep and a lot
Don't
of
even
new
wanna
content
answer
creators put in.
Yeah.
When will the day come? When will people understand shit? By the way, love your podcast. You wanna
move
quickly
on.
answer that?
Do you want me to?
I can answer it.
It's just like it takes a while, man. That's the answer.
I'm talking about Sasu Ma Dies, bruh.
Bruh, big bruh.
It's always gonna be there.
Yeah.
We are. If you didn't notice, we are in a very big country. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't expect. It's not practical to expect that everyone is gonna be watching what everyone is watching. People are going to be pocketed into different spheres, and they're gonna watch specifically what they want to watch. Okay?
Yeah.
There are gonna be people who are gonna watch Sasuma. What the hell? It
And
works.
why shouldn't they? If they enjoy it,
Let them enjoy. What the hell? What is wrong with Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, dude? Today recently I went to a grocery shop, and there was this one guy who was watching Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma on his phone. What is wrong with that? He was having fun. Let
Yeah.
him do whatever he wants.
Yeah.
You decide what you want to watch.
Yeah.
Go and do that.
And
Everything
if you,
else will take care of
yeah,
itself.
if you want everything else, like if you want like, okay, मेरे को चाहिए कि लोग बड़े हों, ठीक है, how about share it to your friends? That's it.
Right.
That's
Great idea. Nice plug. Share it, guys.
Share my
Share
podcast
it.
or my videos or my follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and send me your money, also your mom.
Wow.
But yeah, I'm sorry.
Secret behind those fluffy lips.
Wow, CK. It's probably the African American genes, somewhere or another, because I have curly hair, big lips, and a massive schlong, insanely huge.
I hope we are going to edit this out. Please.
no,
Jesus.
not.
Insanely के बाद mute कर देना please. Jesus. How are you and Rav related? And how are you and Swastikam related?
I and Rav have sex on the regular basis. Swastikam and I.
We
are
shouldn't
friends.
be. Publicly नहीं बोलते ये सब चीजें. Ocus. What the hell, यार?
Cut
Your
करना
girlfriend
पड़ेगा.
watches this podcast. Jesus, man.
You are my girlfriend.
That also you should not say publicly. What the hell, यार?
एक बंदे ने बोला है फिजिक्स 12th का 3rd चैप्टर का 8th क्वेश्चन बताओ प्लीज.
कौन से बुक का तो पूछा ही नहीं चूतिया. What the hell? How are you and Swastikam related?
I told fucking I'm friends with her. Stop messaging her that if she is my girlfriend. Guys, you fucking the amount of time she tells me like people are shipping us together, I'm like, oh my god, stop.
More podcasts with Rishu.
Yes. Do you think Rav will leave Person Behind the Persona soon? Has he planned anything?
Why
He left Lost Pod.
Wow, I have a big smile on my face right now. Ocus, I'm looking at you. What do you think, Ocus?
No,
It's gonna happen.
No, he's not. He's not. I'm not letting him leave. He will have his own thing, but he's not leaving the podcast unless he and I have big falling out. Then even then, I don't think he's leaving. We have had fallouts.
Yeah, we have a big falling out, and we have that falling out in the podcast so that there is drama. Get
you're
some
a
of that.
fucking moron.
You're a fucking moron. I'm breaking up with you. What the hell? Who said that? You did.
How you overcome low self-esteem and self-confidence problem? I think I just said, like, some people say you have got. Sometimes people will say you have got complex and everything. But if you start telling yourself that you're good, it automatically will translate into your work, because then you will start performing good stuff. That's like a lot of times people try to be humble by, like, lowering themselves down. Don't lower yourself down. Be humble. That's great.
Don't be a Rav, be an Ocus, guys.
Yeah,
sometimes.
be an Ocus.
It is necessary. If you can like stay somewhere in the middle, you are in the golden zone.
You are Sunrabi. Then that's where.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Very well put. Holy shit.
That's where you're Sunrabi. Be an humble dude, and who doesn't pull himself down. That's what you have to try to be.
And everybody loves him as a result.
Everybody loves him. Yeah.
Have you heard of one person who has said bad things about Sunrabi? Dude, the people who would hate Sunrabi also because they're jealous of them, they would have mad respect for him. That guy is a fun, nice guy.
That's just what it is. He's just a fun, nice guy.
Fun, nice guy.
Go on, Rob.
Okay. How do you develop your mind? I mean, what content do you consume? Not specific ones. If you are not comfortable, but any general information. How do you develop your
Rob, first of all, you go.
Yeah, this is a difficult question. You ask yourself a lot of questions, and you go and find answers to those questions, and not stupid questions. You'll initially ask yourself stupid questions, but थोड़े difficult questions पूछो जो your friends would think यार क्या time pass क्या चोदू बातें कर रहा है, ठीक है? Ask yourself those questions. बिकॉज वो तुम्हें खुद को पूछना है अपने दोस्तों को नहीं, बिकॉज दोस्त बहुत वेले होते हैं. एंड गो एंड सर्च फॉर आंसर्स फॉर दैट दोज क्वेश्चंस. Philosophy helps. Reading philosophy, non-fiction really helps.
Definitely.
I would say.
But for me, the part where it comes like content consumption, you'd be surprised. I don't consume a lot of content, not anymore. I used to. But I've completely I have the set of YouTubers that I used to watch. I just watch those. Most of them are my friends. Some are Western, like KSI and everybody who I take inspiration from. But there's not a lot of people. So developing a mind, for me, it really comes from having conversations with like Rav, like exactly opposite from Rav, because I've surrounded myself with friends who are who do what Rav said. So I talk to them about the shit, and usually a lot of time it's with my girlfriend because she studies a lot of philosophy. She's doing a major in philosophy, so I talk to her, and she is क्या कहते हैं, gold mine of knowledge. So it helps that a lot. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, how did you came up with the podcast? Is there a story? There's definitely a story. As he said, I was this knight in shining armor.
Knight in shining armor.
Yes. Rav, what happened? What was I saving you from?
I was in a bad place in general, mentally, and it had nothing to do really with what was going on in my life, but because I was doing well professionally and otherwise, but like sometimes you have those phases where things are not going right, and I think I was also not keeping myself busy at all. I was not doing anything. Go to office work,
Yeah.
and just sit at home and
Yeah.
not just contemplate, dwell on things.
Yeah.
And I could have just gone down a very deep rabbit hole.
Yeah.
And then OCUS, then आप आए सर, क्या बात है क्या बात है, क्या बोले हम उस रात के बारे में, never mind, sorry.
Fucking so many sexual innuendos. Jesus Christ. But also,
What
because-
is your politics?
What is
I
my
don't
politics? Oh my god, zero, bro. I don't know which there is a spectrum. Rav, there is a spectrum where you can be left, right, center, whites,
yeah.
and shit. And I don't know which fucking where I fall. And guess what? I do not want to know. I don't care about politics. Probably when I'm older, I will. But fuck that shit, man. Please don't get that shit here. मेरे को सिर्फ fun लेना है. Let me have fun. ठीक है? Isn't it that if someone has a big audience, then someone's their fault making their audience toxic? They can control what their audience is watching after all, and also why you guys act so superior in terms of taste of humor and intelligence when clearly you're not. Don't take me wrong, and also KSI is shit. First of all, no. Second of all, my humor, I literally said throughout this podcast, is
That-
penis.
Is penis? What the hell?
I said penis. That shit made me laugh. You seriously think I think my humor is superior to anybody? Like, what is going through that fucking ऊपर सब ठीक है सरकार, hello, fucking moron.
Okay.
No.
What he's trying to say is that we don't think that we are really funny people. Okay, we are like maybe among us we are humorous and we can make people laugh in that sense, but we are not like stand-up comedian comic kind of funny. Okay.
Yeah.
And we don't think that any humor is above the other humor.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
but we can have our opinions on our own preferences of what we prefer, right?
Yeah.
And if we are expressing that, what is wrong in that? Clearly you are doing that
Yeah.
by saying that because you're questioning our humor, right? So you're doing that. What gives you the right to question our humor when you're
बिल्कुल.
questioning our humor in the first place?
Yeah, बिल्कुल सही. And also he said बड़े लोगों की क्या प्रॉब्लम फॉल्ट है अगर ऑडियंस टॉक्सिक है तो they cannot control what their audience is watching after all. So here's something I would say. If your audience toxic, that's fine. But if your audience is toxic, that means you like everything everybody shares something which in your audience is you. समझो, you're
Right.
the center. ठीक है?
Yep.
So if your audience is toxic, there is probably a reason. One of those, like, there's probably something that you're doing, and one of those can be lack of education. I've seen a lot of big YouTubers who do not educate their audience at all, and sometimes that leads to their audience being toxic. I don't ask if my audience is attacking somebody. I am the first person to be like, don't do it. Lakshya Chaudhary happened. I said it in my video, on my story, on my Twitter. Don't attack him. Don't bully him. That's not what I stand for. That's just all you have to do. That's all
And
you have to do.
I think that they are doing that on a very regular basis. Surya in all his live streams, whenever I've noticed very regularly, somebody mentions Lakshay and Surya is like, can we please avoid the Lakshay question? Please, can we avoid? I've seen it number of times. I'm like, why does he do that? I mean, he can just talk about it in a live stream. Who cares? But he like genuinely just make sure that he avoids it.
Yeah.
कि नहीं करनी बात, हो गया भाई वो खत्म, please.
Yeah. Not only
And
does that helps the person like Lakshya Chaudhary को obviously help कर रहा है, but it also makes Surya a bigger person and better person.
just guys, everybody can have their opinions, it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, but and people, given that everyone is trying to have a conversation, people will get offended by it.
Yeah,
Don't
regardless.
take these things so seriously.
Yeah,
Just
man.
don't take these things so seriously, man.
How you two came up with the idea of this channel and initial motive? By the way, I like observing people, so I love your content. Wow, that's great.
Wow.
Rav,
Yes.
how did we come up with this channel, man? I think
Uh,
both of us love just talking, and we have always wanted
we both
to.
love talking. I think when we were trying out a podcast much before, then it was a very bare bones scenario, and we figured out then कि अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, we can talk,
Yeah.
and but we didn't record obviously at that point of time because we were not in a
Yeah.
stage where we could talk
Uh,
anything and everything with each other. Discord में we talked a lot,
yeah.
but
Yeah,
we never recorded those
yeah.
things.
Funny thing
But
is
that- huh.
funny thing is that just before the first episode, that I think the day before, you and I had a very great conversation, and that's where I was like, "Hey man, do you want to start a podcast like with me?" Like, yeah, with you, sure.
Yeah,
And
that is
that's-
exactly how it went.
Yeah. And that's how we did
And we that day itself, right after that conversation, we created the channel.
we created
all
two
of it.
episodes. We created 2 episodes right after it as well.
The first 2 episodes which you see, they are recorded back to back.
Back to back. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
insane. Full vibe. hai. But I guess that's it. That's all the Instagram questions. Do you have some in community?
Community में और थोड़े एक दो हैं, but like they're rare.
Reh. So yeah, that's it. I will have to बहुत काटने पड़ेंगे. Like, एक
इंडिया में
घंटे-
cancellation आएगा कब? नहीं.
कभी दुनिया में नहीं आएगा.
दुनिया में नहीं
You
आएगा,
cannot
but
cancel
हाँ.
people.
Somebody has replied to it, dude, AIB. Like
The only person can cancel you is you yourself. ठीक है. That AIB was a बहुत बड़ा exception है. There is a lot more complicated things that were going behind the scenes that you do not know about.
it was a company.
Yeah.
Of everything else.
Yeah, fucking yeah. But yeah, that's it. That's it, Rav. Let's stop.
All right, stopping it right now.